So this is my LoRa vRS, and as you guys know, it is cosmetically clapped. And today we're going to change that because we've gotten a brand new bumper which has been sent by Esperer Motors, and we've gotten a used LoRa bonnet as well. So we're going to start removing all of the panels, checking everything in the car, and we need to decide what color to paint this car. This is the brand new bumper, and it has been given to us by Esperer Motors in Kochi from Kerala, and this has been made out of really high quality ABS plastic. And this LoRa vRS bumper kit includes all of the grills, the DRLs and the fog lamps. And as you can see, we've removed the older bumper and the headlights. Now we're going to do a test fit, and after that we'll remove the hood and do a test fit of the new hood as well. Esperer Motors is one of the major shops to deal in German car body kits, accessories and spare parts. They have almost anything and everything for your VAG car, and they are the only people in India to develop ground-up accessories for cars like the Virtus and Slavia. So the next time you need accessories, body panels or body kits for your VAG car, hit up Esperer Motors. So this is the bonnet that we're putting on the car. The older bonnet was probably bent or something. That's why the fitment to the fenders and the bumper was completely off. But we found this used bonnet somewhere, and of course the car is going to get painted. It's not going to stay this color, I mean, obviously. So yeah, now we're just swapping out the grills, and I might just put this grill on. This is a honeycomb grill. It was lying around here somewhere in the workshop over here at Mechanics. But I mean, it has a little bit of a crack and it's also bent for some reason. So not sure which grill we'll put. Maybe we'll just put the older one. If this fits, maybe I'll put this one on. So one very important question is that what color should we paint the car? I am of course tempted to do it in black again, but maybe we can change the color. Maybe it's something that we can experiment with. Maybe a blue. Something that's really tempting to me is a blue right now. We have Škoda's race blue, of course, but apart from that, anything from the Audi range, anything from the BMW range can also be painted onto this car. So that decision needs to be taken very, very soon. So let us know in the comments down below, what color would you like to see on the LoRa vRS? So it's been a couple of days since we've started stripping the car down, and as you can see, the front two seats are over here in the office. We're going to be sending these seats for reupholstery because yeah, it's kind of toned from here, and this section and this section is supposed to be white, and yeah, it's pretty much black at this point. So both of these seats are going to get reupholstered as well as the rear seats. So let me just quickly show you the car because it's gotten completely stripped from the interior and we've sanded it down. So let's go check that out. So this is the car at the moment. They have completely stripped the interior, no seats inside, only the dashboard and the center console is remaining. We are planning to change the color. I'm not too sure if we will, because I mean, first of all, way too many legal complications, and moreover, to change the color, it's a lot of effort. Not that we don't want to do the effort, but we think that a magic black car, a magic black Laura vRS still looks absolutely amazing. But there is still time. Probably we will overturn that decision if some good color comes across our desk and we are actually inclined in doing it. So if you think we should change the color of the Laura vRS, comment down below, or if we should keep it this lovely magic black and probably change the wheels. If I keep it the same color, I have opportunities to do more mods to the car. If I change the color, maybe I'll have to skimp a bit on the mods. So let us know what you want to see on the channel and what you want the Laura vRS to become, and I'll catch you in the next one.